How to log in WordPress dashboard. Hi everyone, I'm Tanvi from 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 Official. Let's go to the composition. There are two ways to log in into our website. The first one is go to our website address and then add login after your site address. Okay. Now if you press enter, it will ask your username and password for login. Now enter our username or email. And also enter our admin password. Once you enter these details, click login. As soon as you click login, you will be able to log in into our website. Now let's see the second method of login into our WordPress website. First, log out our page. Go to your website. And then you need to type wp-admin after your site address. Now once you press enter, you will be asked to enter the login details. First, enter our username or email address again. Once you enter these details and press login, you will be able to log in into your website. Now finish our second method. Okay guys, so these are the two ways to log in into our WordPress website. So now you know how to log in to your WordPress website. But what if you have forgotten your WordPress username and password? How you can log in? So next, let's see the method of resetting your password, which is to reset from your hosting account. So to reset, log in into your hosting account. Now I am going to our hosting account, phpMyAdmin. This hosting website totally free. You can check that our previous video. I also provide full details in this tutorial. Now I am fill up my hosting username and password. Once you enter these details, click login. Go to control panel. Once you enter cPanel, now search for phpMyAdmin and open it. Here you will find an option called WP User. Just click on it. Once you open it, you can find all the users of our site. Okay, now choose the user for which you needed to change the password and click edit. And you will be able to change your password for that user. And also select your user password function like MD5. Okay, once you have made the changes, click go. Okay guys, that's it. Now close our alt tab. Now log out our WordPress dashboard. Now go to our website address and then you need to type wp-admin after your site address. Now enter our username and also fill out our new password. Now click login. So that's it guys. This is how you can log in into your WordPress site and then reset your WordPress password. If you have any query in this tutorial, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.